Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sanford Noida 51 Diaries. This is Shruti Bhatnagar and I am back again today. I hope my suggestion to handle the kids' mood swings during the lockdown helped you a lot. So today I am here to discuss few of the life skills which we can inculcate in our child to make him a better human being. So, few of those tips I would like to suggest today. The first and foremost thing which I think the child should understand is to nurture the plant. I am not saying that give him the exposure to water the plant, which we already doing, but to take out small seed, put it in the pot and wait till it becomes a seedling. Then take that seedling and put it in the ground. Dig a hole first, put that seedling inside, sow the soil, tap it with your hands and then water it. Slowly and gradually, when the child is watering the plant, you can just tell them how you are nurturing the plant and how the plant is going to grow in a upper side. So that way the child will understand that we have to nurture the plant, we have to nurture the relationship. They should respect everyone, and all the relationships needs to be handled with care. That is the main life skill which is we should give our children, because we are living in a nuclear families, but they should understand that the children should give proper respect to all the relations. So that is the first point. Second thing I would like to suggest, the child should be able to prepare a meal for themselves. If the child is very small, what you can do, invite him to the kitchen. Be patient. If the child is spilling the floor, let it be, but then he will be there in the kitchen, he will take interest, but then it is going to help him in a longer run. If he is small, you can give him the cut fruits. Tell the child to take the spoon, put some yogurt in the bowl, mix the yogurt and then put those fruits inside, and that will be a meal for the child or the small child. And then when he will be having this yogurt, he will feel satisfied. Okay, wow, I have prepared this myself. So that will be going to be a special feeling for him. Small, little bit bigger children, they can have sandwiches, they can have milkshakes in your presence. You have to keep an eye for security also, but then if they are able to prepare a meal for themselves, it will quite an achievement for them also and for you also, and it is going to help them. The third point which I would like to help you, that child should understand, the child should get the exposure to be handle the washer. That means the child should take out all the dirty clothes from the washroom, and they have to put it in the washer. They should know how much detergent they have to put in the washer, what are the settings to be changed, and then they have been responsible to clean the clothes. You will see the difference. The children will understand that we should not keep the dirty clothes inside, we have to keep them in the washer. Then how much detergent we are putting, it is going to help them to decide. They are able to decide, decision making power will be going to improve. Then what are the settings to be used for the clothes, these all things will be going to help the children. Then the fourth point which I would like to say, that the child should understand the relationships. We are in the nuclear families here, but we should train our child to write a letter, which we used to do when we were very small. Today it is a virtual, everything is virtual. We are on the Zoom, we are on the WhatsApp video calls, but child have forgotten to write the letters. That is only in their English grammar or Hindi grammar they are writing a letter for the examination. So please ask your child to write a small letter to your grandparents, to your brother-in-law, to your sister-in-law, anyone, which is going to make a huge difference. The small children can just draw a picture, they just put it in, fold it, and they can put it in the envelope, they can put it on the one stamp on that. You take them, the small children, to the mailbox, put that letter in the mailbox and tell them that this letter is going to be delivered to your grandfather or grandmother, and they will be very happy to see how you have written a letter to them, and just see how happy she will be. The same way, if the children are little bit big, you can tell them to write the address on that, put the stamp on that. All these small things will make them understand कि okay, we have to take care about everyone, we have to take care about the relationships also in our life. They are very important, and they are the strongest pillar if all the family members are together. So this is one of the very important life skill which we have to imbibe in our children. One more thing which I can suggest you, that all these things should be handled properly with utmost care. You give them all the exposure to these type of small things, small practical things, and it is going to help the child learn a lot. Apart from academics, these types of life skills is required nowadays. So parents, give them these exposure, train them for these life skills, and you will be observing that your child will be going to become a great human being, a great human being, a great decision maker, a wonderful person, a happy person, and all these things will be going to make him as a good community person, and he will bring a strong society. And if everyone will be like this, we will be having a strong society for all of us. Till then, be at home, enjoy, stay safe, and be happy. Thank you, and bye bye.